It smells like a baby diaper.
Get set, pour.
I'm going to Villa.
Good morning, everybody. So these guys are already up and ready to go to school today.
Mama, my dog's going to press this.
Yes, you are.
If you press this.
That is so cool. She is
and
such a
your
neat.
back and front leg can move. Hi, guys.
She's such a neat toy.
Hi.
So, what are we having today? Since it's yucky and nasty outside, are we having pajama day again today?
Hi, look at I'm feeling better now.
You love pajama day, don't you?
I feel that you already. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, get it? Are you learning about F? Good job. Are you practicing your lines? You're doing so nice. You're giving the little worms. Ireland's hooked up to the computer and she's listening to music today from ancient India while she's practicing her addition facts. So Thursdays are our music day for the kids, and so right now all of the kids are studying ancient cultures. So they've listened to ancient Chinese, ancient Mayan music, and now they're listening to music from ancient India. These guys are so excited, you guys, because they are finally playing in the snow.
Don't go at him. Hi. Oh, what? You want to make a snow angel? So you have to. Look at over here. Bad idea. What? Oh no, he's not. I'd pull off your pants if I were you. He's in for it now. Throw snow at me all you want. You'll never defeat me!
Alright guys, we made a snowman. He's a little muddy and dirty. But it was perfect snow for a snowman.
I'll draw in his other eye.
Let's see his face. What do you have going on so far?
Well, we need another eye for him. We got his nose.
I think on the porch there's another pop bottle.
I'll go check. That's Mick, and I'll get my lap, right?
Okay guys, so you each have a different size container. Zane, you have the shortest container. Braxen, you have the tallest. Ireland, yours is a little bit taller, but wider. And Aspen, you have the widest container.
And I get to pour it.
You're going to get to pour stuff in, yes. What we're studying tonight for science, we did a little bit different science class than what you guys have been doing, is we are studying what's called an exothermic reaction. What you're going to see happen, this is called an exothermic reaction. And what you're going to see happen is you can touch the side of your container and it's going to feel warm. Now, do you want to know why it's going to feel warm? Because energy is going to be released. And so the warmth that you're going to feel is going to be the release of energy. You're also going to see a bunch of tiny, tiny bubbles that are going to happen.
I want a surprise. No.
And do you... It is going to be a surprise, I promise. But you're going to see a bunch of tiny bubbles. And do you know what the tiny bubbles are caused from? We're going to put yeast in with peroxide and some dish soap. And the yeast is going to remove all the oxygen out of the peroxide. It's going to cause a bunch of bubbles.
Who do remember to not drink it?
So are you guys ready?
I love it.
Yes, let's do it.
To make some chemistry magic?
I want blue.
You want blue?
Yeah.
I want
Blue.
purple.
You want
I want
blue?
purple.
I can do it by myself. I'm a big
You want green? Okay, Pete, do not open this yet. Here you go. There's yours.
I is big boy. I can do
just
myself.
dye your hair.
Do not open yours yet. There is your baby blue, neon blue. Braxen, you want what? Dark blue?
Yeah.
So, Professor Zane, may I get your hypothesis of what may happen?
Maybe it'll be like a volcano and go. But I'm not exactly sure. Maybe you put your hand on it and it'll be warm.
Professor Ireland, what is your hypothesis?
I think it's gonna. I have pink. It's gonna turn green.
Okay,
And then, and then there's just gonna be eggs in there, and then baby turtles are gonna come crawling out.
Can I put my hand?
Eggs and baby turtles. Professor Braxen, what is your hypothesis?
I'm not a professor. I'm a unicorn, but I have a hypothesis.
What is it?
It is that I will launch it at the wall and the house will explode.
Professor Aspen,
What?
what is your hypothesis? What will happen?
Chicken pot pop.
Chicken pot pie?
Oh, I love that.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put the exact same amount of hydrogen peroxide in everybody's. Ready? You're going to get some dish soap. Pour some dish soap.
Oh, you had a bubble.
Smells like apple.
Yours.
Is it bubbling?
It smells like apples.
No, he can do his. Right in there.
What do we add?
Is this?
Whatever you want. It's your experiment.
I do it by myself.
I'm just putting a lot in there.
Welcome.
It smells like this. I think I'm adding way too much.
6 drops.
Yeah. I don't know how many drops I put in.
The food coloring separated. This is all peroxide. This clear area that's like really cool is all soap.
Why do you think that happens?
That was the other
One's
one.
more dense than the other.
When I pour mine
She
in.
is the doctor. The doctor.
Are you getting a little scared or what?
Ow. That itchy.
Tastes good.
Warm water.
You ready, T?
And we have some yeast.
I thought you wanted dark blue.
What's gonna
It is
happen
dark
with it
blue.
too?
I don't know what's going to happen with it.
Can I
Hold
put
on.
mine in?
This is lightish. Won't be on.
We're going to put our yeast in. Just wait, be patient.
Uh.
I'm not going to let any of you do this by yourselves. You're going to do it all at the same time. You're going to pour them in, okay? 'Cause I want you to see what's going to happen.
I hope it explodes because guess what?
What?
I won't freak out if it explodes.
I am the doctor.
You're gonna freak out if it explodes?
All right, each person gets a teaspoon of yeast.
Hey, I was correct.
Hold on, not yet. You were right.
I can hold it.
Not yet.
It gets crazy. I'm putting this.
Just wait. And 2 tablespoons of warm water. Not yet, not yet. Be patient.
I look touched. Oh my.
And then we have to mix it up. Would somebody like me to get me a butter knife to mix it with?
I need to mix it. It smells like a baby diaper.
Yeast stinks, doesn't it?
Smells like a baby
my
diaper?
It smells like dad farts.
Wow! It's upside down.
If you have that on, you'll barely be able to see. Oh, what? What are you talking about?
It's correct now.
Look at that.
Pick it up.
On your marks, get set, pour.
Oh! Go for it.
Here, let's get
You
your
want to
sleeves
smell,
up.
Dad?
Let's get your sleeves up.
You want to smell, Dad?
Keep it inside your pan, though, guys. Keep it in your pan. Oh, yours
Oh, it
is
actually
still
smells
going.
pretty good. Oh, Zane!
Still going.
Zane's is still
Cool.
going.
I saw what it was doing, so I wasn't gonna touch it.
Yeah. So
Don't
now,
touch
now
it.
you know. If you just let them go, they'll continue to grow.
That feels weird.
Oh!
A few days. What'd you do?
I don't.
Zane's is still going, you guys. These guys are having a blast with this experiment. So what did you guys think of this experiment?
Awesome. No, I don't know what's happening here.
Oh, it's getting a big bubble on the side, Zane.
What in the world?
And it's got different colors in it. That is so cool.